This is our Moderna recipe box. You can see this has been personalized with 2 lines of text. You can have it done with 1 line or 2 line, as much or as little as you like. It's a very popular design for us. It includes with it a little note from me and my wife, and as well as some recipe card dividers. And this is also a conversion chart. So on the back of it, you'll see it comes with something like that. And the dividers are just standard paper dividers. And you can also see that the recipe box comes with a shelf, so you can easily just put a recipe there and look at it while you're cooking and look off ingredients and instructions, flip it over, read off the back. These are our recipe cards that we make as well. This is 100% solid sustainable bamboo, meaning even the bottom is bamboo, and it's extremely durable and will last a long time.